Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. We're Pagan Preppers and we're out in the woods today. Colin's going to be just talking you through a little present that we've received from Polymath Products, which is the Premium Survival Kit.
There we go. Okay, so here's the Polymath Premium Survival Kit, and I'm going to go through the contents and show you what's in there. So it starts off with this tin. Obviously it's coated, but you can boil water in there. Inside the tin you get a contents list, or kit list, and shows you everything that's in the tin itself. Tin we have this, which is a survival whistle. On the edge of the survival whistle is a small ferro rod, and here is a striker. So take the coating off, and there we go. So you have fire steel, striker, and a whistle. We have quite a large tea light candle. We have one of these compressed towels, flannels, whatever you call them. Just put water on that and it turns into like a washcloth really. We have a small torch. We have some orange paracord. We have a small button compass on a lanyard. Something that's in almost every kit. All-weather emergency bag. What I call a lollipop stick, which is a stirring stick for making a coffee. We have some wax-covered jute twine. A sewing kit, which is always handy. These are water purification tablets. A glow stick. Hot chocolate. I'm sure Sarah will probably have that later. One of these plastic mirrored cards for use for signal mirrors, or for, I don't know, looking in the mirror, making yourself look pretty. A pencil. 2 first aid pre-injection swabs. A pack of rehydration treatment. Kendal mint cake, Polymath favourite. We have in here a dressing. A stock cube. Water collection bag, some Write in the Rain paper, and I don't know what that is, some kind of sticky pad. I'll look on the instructions for that. Number 22, fabric surgical tape. Okay. And the last 2 items are some Exogel and a very small folding stove. Now I like these, a lot of people don't like them, but for me they're lightweight, they're flat, and they're perfect if you want to go minimal. So that's everything in the kit. There's a lot of things I like, some things I'm not so sure of. My views are, in a survival situation, some fuel and a stove, yes you need. Paracord, yes you need. What else here? A compass. Well, that's going to tell you which way is north. Without a map, you know, surely you can work out which way is north from the sun or the stars. So a compass without a map, no good to me really. A sewing kit. If you're in a survival situation, let's think, how long are you trying to survive for? If you're trying to survive for a day, you can probably get away with that. you're trying to survive for 6 months out in the wild, I don't know how much use that's going to be to you. Mirror for signalling would probably come in handy in a survival situation. A tea light, well, okay, neither here nor there really. A bag for keeping water in, yes, I believe that's going to be very handy. You can find a stream, fill this with water, use one of the purification tablets, which I've lost now, here. You can sterilise your water and then boil it in there. So yes, I would keep that. What else we got here? A small torch, possibly help you. Emergency bag. In a survival situation, yes, that may keep you dry and warm. Kendall mint cake, it's going to be a good morale boost. A stock cube, yes, probably use that if you can find some wild edibles. Chuck that in as well, make a nice little soup, that's fine. The first aid bits and pieces, you're not going to go wrong with it, they don't weigh a lot, so they'd go in there. Paper and pencil, it's nice to have, it doesn't weigh a lot. This rehydration treatment, that's probably one of the main decent bits of the kit, because if you're trying to survive and you haven't had water, you haven't had food, maybe if you've got the runs, take that, that's going to bring the salts back into your body. All in all, I think premium survival kit is maybe not the right word for this kit. It's a nice little pack to have if you go out for a day, couple of days. I don't think you'd be able to survive with what's in there, but it could help you while you're camping. So that's my view on the Polymath Premium Survival Kit.